Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make words by joining letters. Look at each picture. Join the letters to get new words. This is the picture of sun. Sun. Let's get the new word sun by joining the letters. S-U-N. Sun. Our new word is S-U-N. Sun. This is a picture of a boy. Boy. Let's join the letters to get new word boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Our new word is B-O-Y. Boy. Same way, see the next picture. In this picture, the baby is crying. Crying. Let's join the letters to get the new word cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Our new word is C-R-Y. Cry. This is a picture of a gum. Gum. Let's join the letters to get the new word gum. G-U-M. Gum. Our new word is G-U-M. Gum. This is a picture of a ship. Ship. Let's join the letters to get the new word ship. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Our new word is S-H-I-P. Ship. This is a picture of a kite. Kite. Let's join the letters to get the new word kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Our new word is K-I-T-E. Kite. This is a picture of a net. Net. Let's join the letters to get the new word net. N-E-T. Net. Our new word is net. N-E-T. Net. So children, I hope you understood. By joining letters, we can make new words.